I'm Mini Dobby, welcome to Mini Diaries. As you can see, it's not Mini Dobby today, it's Rick. So how you doing? Today we are going to be fitting Mark's engine, as you can see behind me, in the back of the Volvo. It's been built, it's been refreshed, all the oil seals have been replaced, head gasket, the lot. So today is the big day and we're going to fit that into Mark's Mini. So thanks for joining us, and click that like button and subscribe if you've not seen us before. Lovely, thanks very much.
Made it to the yard eventually and everyone's here. We've got Mark, as Rick said, putting his engine back in. That's why I've grabbed the camera quickly, record that going in. We've also got Sam, Polly, John's over there working on his car, and the main man Rick doing his thing, getting the engine in. Fingers crossed, hopefully we'll have it in by the end of today. I'm going to be working on my gearbox and getting that ready to put onto my engine. So let's go and say hello, get in the way and see what everyone's up to. So you got it, Mark's engine back in. Didn't go quite as smoothly as we like, but it's in there, looking good. Time to bolt it all up now, Mark?
Yeah.
And Rick's going home.
Yep.
He's done for the day.
I'll see you this time tomorrow. I said I don't put it in, I didn't say I was going to connect it all.
Yeah, we're going to lock the doors, leave Sam and Mark here and see what happens. Hello, Polly. Hello.
Hello.
Polly's rubbing down my arches, getting them ready to be resprayed. They need to look on point. And Polly's the person for the job, taking out some chips and gonna repair some scratches or get rid of some scratches. Enjoying it, Polly?
Yeah, definitely. Loving that my fingernails are absolutely filthy underneath.
Thank you.
Black paint as well.
I'm sure they're gonna look good. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, hello Dino and hello Taylor. Two more mini heads come down to the unit, come to help us put Mark's engine in, do a bit to my gearbox. Mark's got his carb on. It's pretty much finished now though, isn't it? Still a fair few bits to put on, but we're getting there. Although Rick's spending more time on his phone. Rick's done more standing about today, but he's about to help me with my central oil pickup pipe, so that's coming up next. So I've been waiting for Rick for ages to come do the central oil pickup pipe with me. I've heard good things about these and maintaining the oil pressure in the engine, as we're going to be giving it some beans this year. Not quite sure how these fit, but Rick's done it before and he's going to be doing it with me now, so I'll get some sexy shots of him doing that. Quite busy down here and everyone else potting around, which is pretty cool.
Oh no!
Hello everyone. Yeah, everyone's here today.
Thank you.
Still down here, still getting Mark's engine in. He's been busting away at something. Getting it done though. I've finished the gearbox with Rick's help and Sam's and Polly's too. The central pickup pipe is fitted. The side of the diff, is it? Don't know. Side of the diff still has a bit missing. I do need a gasket to finish that and fit one from my old gearbox. So when I've got that, I can still do the rest of the engine and fit that at a later date. What are you doing, Mark? What have you got left?
What have we got left? I don't know. What have we got left?
What's missing?
Servo, alternator, distributor,
Connect up the cables, throw some water in it.
all the hoses,
Electrics.
Yeah, it's not
You done the gear selector?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's done, mate. It's all done.
Exhaust is on.
Oh, and change the gators.
oh yeah,
Oh, drive shafts back in.
Yeah.
Not much.
not much.
So we're doing well. I think we're doing well. Or Mark's doing well anyway.
We're all doing well.
All learning. Let's keep going. So I've just finished putting the borrowed gearbox together, put the central pickup pipe in, bolted it all back together and realised that the idler gear doesn't fit, the holes are a different size. It's pre-A plus and A plus minis not working, not coming together. I haven't got the right primary gear, the drop gear or the bottom one either, so it means I've got to go and find one. I've asked a club member. If not, I'm going to repair my gearbox, get the lace shaft bearing, get the lace shaft bearings replaced. Also the needle bearing on the end, that had a couple of the rollers missing, so that could explain why the gearbox was whining. You can see Mark and Rick in the background there. They're still working on his one. It's been going well. Mark's been doing well. He's getting all of the bits put on, dropping all of the washers. Quite funny seeing him find all of the bits. Sam and Polly are enjoying themselves there, chatting away. So all in all, good day, but I've not got much further forward. I might have to go back and repair my gearbox yet. So get some sexy shots of Mark's before I leave, but I think that's it for tonight until tomorrow, and I'll see if I can get some different parts. Really frustrated at the moment. My head's exploding, but that's minis, and that's what happens when you're playing with them. So
It's 10 to 2, Sunday morning.
I'm
We're fucked.
still playing minis.
We're going home now.
Good night.
Good night.
Stay safe. Be lucky, guys. Go on, mate.
What?
You had something to say.
Oh, it was just something about masturbating.